Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, I just want to start by correcting a mistake I did on the previous lesson. If you look here, you're going to realize that I made a mistake when I was transferring this answer from this working space to the answer box. So the answer is supposed to be 2 minus x here. So I'm going to continue with this paper. Today we are looking at number 8 going forward. Number 8 reads 8a, write down the largest 4-digit number in base A. So what I want you to understand is when you're in base 5, the largest digit that you can write is 4. Like in base 10, which is the numbers that we use on a daily basis, the largest number there that you can write in base 10 is 9. So here, if the largest digit is 4 and they are asking for a 4-digit number, then it would mean it's 4, 4, 4, base 5. Okay, number 8 part B, it says convert 111 base 8 to a number in base 7. So the first thing that you need to do is to expand this number as if you are expanding a number in base 10, which is also the way to convert a number from any other base to base 10. So you're going to write it like this: 1 times 8 to the power 2, which is for this one, and then 1 times 8 to the power 1, which is for this one, and then 1 times 8 to the power 0. Here you're going to get 64 plus 8 plus 1. So 64 plus 8, that's 72. And here you're going to have 73 to base 10. So once you have this number, which is 73, that's the one that you use to change or to convert to base 7. So I'm going to say 73 here, say 7, that's 1, 0, remainder 3, that's 1, remainder 3, and here that's 0, remainder 1, and you read it from the bottom up, which means your answer is going to be 1, 3, 3, base 7. Okay, and now we're going to look at number 9. Number 9 says factorize completely x squared multiplied by or times y plus 1 minus y minus 1. So here I'm going to continue from there, which is x squared y plus 1. So here, if I factorize negative 1 here, it means here I'm going to have y, and there I'm going to have plus 1, because it's like I'm dividing that negative 1 by negative 1. Okay, so now I have got two factors here. I'm going to write x squared minus 1 and y plus 1. And you're going to realize that this one, x squared minus 1, is the difference of two squares, which is x plus 1, x minus 1, and then you write this one, which is y plus 1. So that's the answer here. You can transfer it and write it in the answer box. Okay, so that's what you needed to do for 3 marks. Okay, so here there is a law which says if you have log to the base of a of b equal to x. B would be equal to a to the power x. So using that, here I'm going to say log 64 to the base of 4 equal to x, which gives us 64 equal to 4 to the power of x, and this one is equal to 4 to the power 3, which is equal to 4 to the power x. And if you compare the powers here, since the bases are the same, it would mean x is equal to 3. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, we have number 10. This is number 10b. Number 10b says log 8 over log 16. So carrying on from that, this is the same as log 2 to the power 3, and this is the same as log 2 to the power 4. And if you apply the laws of logarithms, this is the same as 3 log 2, and this is the same as 4 log 2, and these ones can cancel each other out, and you have your final answer as 3/4. And number 11 says solve the simultaneous equations 2x plus y equal to 4 and 5y minus 4x equal to 13. So I'm going to refer to this one as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. So from equation 1, I'm going to make y the subject of formula, and I'm going to have y equal to 4 minus 2x. And then I'm going to substitute in equation 2. I'm going to substitute y. I'm going to substitute y here and put this value. So it's going to be 5 times 4 minus 2x minus 4x equal to 13. Then here I'm going to remove the bracket. I'm going to get 20 minus 10x minus 4x equal to 13. And here I'm going to have 20 minus 14x equal to 13. So I can take this to this side. I can take 14 to that side and 13 to this side. So we have 20 minus 13 equal to 14x. Because if I take minus 14 here and I put it on the right hand side, it becomes positive. If I take 13 from this side and I put it on this side, it's going to be negative. So here we have 7 equal to 14x, and if we divide both sides by 14, I'm going to have half equal to x. Then I come back to this equation, which is equation 1. I'm going to substitute x and find the value of y. So 4 minus 2 times the value of x, which is half. So here I'm going to have 4 minus 1, which gives me 3. So my answer is going to be x is equal to half and y equal to 3. Okay, that's all I had for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.